Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing street-styled Frankie made with homemade patties, fresh veggies and a special spice mix. It's easy to make, full of flavors, plated beautifully. Let's prepare this step by step.
Today we are going to make a special masala that will add a really delicious flavor to our dish. To start, take a grinder jar and add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and as you all know, I love using this chili powder. To that, add half a teaspoon of spicy chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, add half a teaspoon of chaat masala, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder and rock salt, the same amount of regular salt as well. Now grind everything together, making sure not to grind it too fine. We want a slightly coarse texture for the best flavor. So we are going to start by making some stir-fried veggies. Heat a pan and add a little oil. We don't need much since we are just sautéing the vegetables. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions and cook them on a high flame. After a couple of minutes, add the sliced capsicum and cook it the same way for a few minutes. Next, add the cabbage. I have used regular cabbage along with some purple cabbage, but feel free to use whatever you have. I have also added some carrots for extra color and crunch. We want the vegetables to stay nice and crunchy, so don't overcook them. Now it's time to add some spices. First, add a little salt, followed by chili powder and chaat masala. Mix everything really well so the spices coat the veggies evenly. Once that's done, transfer the mixture to a plate. This step is very important. If you leave it in the pan, the vegetables will keep cooking. Let it cool down completely. Now we are going to make the patties, which are the real hero of our Frankie. Heat a pan, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and then add chopped garlic and green chilli and saute for a bit until fragrant. Next, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and of course my favorite, Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything well. Now add the mashed potato. Followed by chaat masala and garam masala. Mix it nicely so all the spices are incorporated really well and the mixture comes together perfectly. Since I forgot to add some salt earlier, I'm adding it now and mixing again. Once everything comes together, add dry mango powder and some chopped coriander. Look at this, the colors look so good. Mix it well And that's it. The mixture is ready for shaping. So here I have greased the plate and my palms as well. This really helps in shaping the patties without them sticking. I am shaping the patties slightly longer so they sit nicely on the wrap, but feel free to make them smaller or round if you prefer. I am done making all the patties and now it's time to shallow fry them. I have heated a tawa and I'm spreading a little oil so the patties get a nice color and a crispy outer layer. Once they are done on one side, flip them over and let them cook on the other side until they are perfectly crispy with a lovely roasted color. Now that all our patties are ready, let's keep them aside and move on to assembling the Frankie. Here I'm using a store-bought wrap, but you can absolutely use homemade rotis if you prefer. I'm spreading a little butter on the wrap. This adds nice moisture and flavor to our Frankie. Next, spread some green coriander and mint chutney. If you would like the recipe for this green chutney, make sure to check out my vada pav video. After that, add a little tomato sauce, and now it's time to sprinkle our homemade Frankie masala. To give it a nice rich flavor, add some cheese and place the patty on top. Follow this with the sautéed vegetables, a quick squirt of tomato sauce and little more cheese on top. Now a lot of us struggle with folding the wrap, so I'll show you how to fold it properly. This way it won't unwrap or break apart while you are eating. First, lift both the sides and fold them in slightly. Then using your thumbs, fold up the bottom edge of the wrap. With your fingers, start gathering the remaining sides and at the same time folding and rolling the wrap tightly. And there you go, it's all done. Now it's time to roast our Frankie, just like you get at a street stall. Place it on the hot tawa and let the cheese melt while the wrap turns nice and crispy. Keep turning it so even the sides get that perfect roast and smoky flavor. Once it's hot, crispy and golden all around, our Frankie is ready to serve. Look at that. Crispy on the outside, loaded on the inside and plated to perfection. Street food never looked this good. As usual, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.